I'm ready. Very smart door. I'm pumping the tires as always. High tech again. I'm only going to cycle 36 kilometers today because it's been raining too much and it's relatively cold. They've been trying to reconstruct this road for at least 3 months now.
Turn right onto Amsterdam S110.
Yeah, some people live on these boats. It surely is very inspiring to live in such a historical city. That's a lot of people here. Your pants are too white, much more white than any white car. Rocks museum for you. Just as my bicycle. It's much more quiet than the center of Amsterdam. Yeah, dangerous cycling right here. Traffic jams, losers. Of course they have to rebuild this road again. Enjoy this quietness with me. I'm going to ask her if she's cycling to Haarlem too, because we could cycle together. KKG sounds like KGB to me. Crazy rider. I love this car. Everyone in this tiny city can see time. Sugar City! What is... Why did they write it in traditional Chinese? Is it because they support Taiwan? Come on, I know you can do it. Faster! Now I know why it's very cold, because it's only 11 degrees outside. I have to turn left somewhere here.
In 500 meters.
This vibration is killing me and my bicycle too.
Slide right to stay on Veer Pad, then turn left onto Wood Plain.
Only 9.9 kilometers left with all these crazy turns again. Let's see if I can make it. Yes! I'd recommend you to never cycle hands-free because I had almost fallen while recording that video a while ago. Very dangerous. Woohoo. Very nice evening, to be honest. Ah, it actually shows the time. It used to be a bridge for animals. And I have arrived. That's how I'm gonna park my bicycle tonight. This flashlight is awesome. It's been such a long time without walking on any sand, finally. What are these things? What are these? The ocean seems to be quite angry. Just listen to it. Can I use it as a shaving foam? It's time to return home to cook some pancakes. Can you imagine I rode this log just to protect my bicycle for 5 seconds? 38 kilometers to return. May the power be with me. I've decided to cycle as fast as I can just to test my abilities again. They seem to be having fun there. Yet another random video for you. Still going straight. See, I'm in the middle of nowhere again. This same bridge. Hands-free riding at 30 kilometers per hour for you.
Then continue on to Amsterdam to Starway.
Should I try catching that bus or continue cycling? You know that.
Straight on to Hugo de Brussel. Leave Hugo de Brussel.
I dislike this road very much. Wow, such a big road. I thought only Chinese could build something like that. See? Almost there. I've done it. 1 hour and 17 minutes for 39 kilometers. Adios, amigo.